We'll guide you through how to understand Printify prices. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open the Printify website on your desktop and log into your account. Once you're in, head over to the dashboard and click on the catalog tab at the top of the page. This will show you a wide range of products you can choose from. Select the product you're interested in by clicking on it. Now you'll see the product page with all the details. Scroll down to find the pricing section here. You'll notice two types of prices, the base price and the retail price. The base price is what Printify charges you per item, and this depends on the print provider you choose. You can select different providers from the drop-down menu to see how the base price changes. The retail price is what you set for your customers. You need to make sure this price covers the base price and gives you a profit margin. A handy tip is to use the profit calculator on the page. Enter your desired profit margin percentage and it will automatically calculate the retail price for you. This way you can ensure you're making a profit on each sale. Remember, shipping costs are not included in the base price, so you'll need to set those up separately under your store settings. Understanding these pricing components is crucial for managing your store effectively and ensuring profitability. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.